In this video, I'll demonstrate how to get YouTube views in 2024. First, we must navigate to a site called Rapid Boost Net. You'll find the website's link in the video description. Upon accessing the site, click on the top menu and look for YouTube views. On the following page, select the number of views you desire. For this video, I'll opt for 1,000 YouTube views. Next, we need to input the YouTube video link. Let's return to the YouTube app. Once we are on the video, we click on Share button and then copy link. After copying, paste the link into the site. On the final page, input your billing information including first name, last name, and email. Then, click the Place Order button. I'll now complete the payment for this order and return in 5 minutes. As you can see, I received 1,000 YouTube views. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.